This is Ian, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Here's how to use the new Help Me Write feature in Google Docs to double the length of an essay. Let's get started. So we are in my Google Docs essay. This is about the history of snow shoveling. And if you just put your cursor kind of somewhere there, you might see some text show up that says Help Me Write. If you don't see that, look for the icon that you see here on the right side of the page here. It says Help Me Write. It looks like a pencil with a star. So click on that. And then this blue box will appear. And what I'm going to tell it is, please double the size of this essay and try to preserve the voice. My voice, okay. And then hit create. So it thinks about it for a couple seconds. And then what it should show me is kind of a sample. Yes, it's showing me a sample. It's adding some keywords here. Sorry, this is like a subtitle, and then kind of organizing in a different way, and it's adding extra language. So I'm going to say insert this, and basically what it's done is it's made this essay a lot longer. Actually, what it might have done, yes. So what it did is it actually placed it at the very top of the essay. So the original length of the essay was about 430 words long. Currently, it is 1315. So what they did is it created an essay that's double the size and then put it ahead of the original essay. So the total is now 1,315 words. And obviously, this is a way, if you had a requirement that something needed to be longer, you could ask it to be longer. Now, I said, double the length of this essay. If I wanted to, I could have just said make it 20% longer or add 200 words or something like that, and it would have done it. Now, one thing I always recommend if you're using the Help Me Write feature in Google Docs is to actually check the language to make sure that it's not adding something in there that's not right, or maybe misconstruing something that you've said or something that you had in your original essay. But this is an effective way to make your essay or a report or anything else a lot longer. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me. And one other message about this feature is currently available to paid Google accounts such as Workspace or some Google for Education accounts, as well as personal Google accounts upgraded to Google One plans.